In the age of high interest rate loans, many investors are thinking of not buying a real estate as an investment. Property market has experienced a significant drop in sale. However, properties are still a popular type of investments due to various benefits. Not everyone, however, has enough capital to invest in the real estate market. Many banks require you to invest at least 20% to 30% of your own capital. In this video, we will show you how you can invest in real estate with almost no money. In many European cities, the prices of real estate went up exponentially in the last few years. Thanks to the positive trends on the market, investors benefit from the increase in the value of their real estate properties. Why should you invest in real estate in the first place? Older real estate properties that require renovation are often sold for an affordable price. The value of the property can be easily increased if the renovation does not require too much capital. Properties that are purchased with the goal of renting them out can be a good way to build a passive income stream. The return from a lease is usually higher than from traditional banking products such as savings accounts. Properties also offer protection against inflation. In most cases, the increase in the property's value is higher than the average annual inflation rate or equal to the inflation rate. Real estate is also a suitable form of pension provision. Real estate investing is one of the most suitable investments where investors benefit from the leverage effect. With little money, you can earn a solid return if you succeed to get additional financing. There are multiple strategies that help you to invest in real estate with no money, such as co-investing with a partner, a building contractor, or getting a financing offer directly from the seller. The risk of buying real estate with no money is naturally high. There aren't many lenders that will offer you to finance 100% of your real estate project. Usually, you need to pay 20% to 30% of the real estate's value from your own pocket. A real estate's value that is valued at 200,000 euros equals 50,000 euros. Not every investor with an average income has this amount on their bank account. That, however, does not mean that one cannot benefit from the positive trends of the real estate market. As you are enjoying this video, please also click the subscribe button. If you have not yet done it, like and share also. Okay, back to ways we can invest in real estate with little or no money. If you don't have co-investing partners or a seller who is willing to offer direct financing, all hope is not lost. You can still finance your project via crowdlending platforms. Private investors that participate in crowdlending invest in multiple real estate projects that help to finance apartments and homes in Europe. The acquisition costs of the real estate property are therefore financed by multiple investors. The return on equity is obviously smaller with crowdlending, as if you would use a construction loan and build the property yourself. The time and risks, as well as the amount of money invested, is however significantly smaller. Crowdlending helps you eliminate the frustrating paperwork, time-consuming negotiations with lenders, as well as the stress with the purchase of the real estate. Crowdlending is, therefore, suitable for investors, not only because you don't need as much money to start investing, but also because the time investment and the risk connected with investing in real estate is significantly smaller. Many developers borrow money from private investors to finance commercial properties, private homes, and apartments. The financing is usually managed by crowdlending platforms such as Estate Guru. Estate Guru takes over the credit check, and as soon as the project fulfills the credit criteria, it will get approved for financing. The capital commitment with crowdlending is fundamentally smaller, and there is no need to take a loan. Crowdlending platforms such as Estate Guru allow investors to secure loans for their project after completion of an adequate due diligence of the project within 24 hours. Once done, the platform shall send you a non-binding indicative offer. If the indicative offer meets your expectations and you agree in principle, the loan managers will start preparing the project on the platform. Once the project is ready, they will send you the contract with the final agreed binding offer. You'll sign the contract and the project is then released onto the platform to their investors. Depending on the size of the loan, it may be funded anywhere from instantaneously to a few days. As soon as your project hits its funding target, they will set a notary appointment to sign the mortgage agreement for the collateral. Once the mortgage is signed, they release the funds to your bank account. You will be required to repay the loan according to the agreed schedule. When the loan is repaid, the investors receive their funds, they cancel the mortgage on the collateral. There are no fees or penalties for early repayment. Simply notify the platform that you plan to do so, and they will assist you. If you are interested in investing in real estate with little or no funds, use the link below to register to Estate Guru to commence your real estate investing career. If you found this video insightful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for joining us today. Until next time, stay curious, stay informed, and happy investing.